Over the past few months, the gelatin trick has quietly become a trending topic in wellness communities across the internet. Unlike traditional diet plans, the gelatin trick isn't about strict rules or complicated programs. Instead, it's a small habit that many people add before meals, drinking a warm gelatin mixture shortly before eating. Supporters of the gelatin trick say this simple routine helps them feel more satisfied during meals and encourages slower, more mindful eating. Some nutrition conversations suggest that gelatin's unique properties when hydrated may play a role. Of course, balance is important. The gelatin trick isn't intended to replace meals or act as a miracle solution. Most sources encourage staying hydrated, maintaining normal meals, and seeking professional advice if needed. Part of what makes the gelatin trick so popular is how easy it is to try and how naturally it can fit into everyday routines. If you'd like to learn more about the gelatin trick and the simple recipe many people are using, check the first comment for additional details.